Right there is the remote, and in order to take out the battery for it, notice behind the remote there is that switch right there. We'll have to press that switch down and then take out the key. Just like that. Once the key is taken out, now we will use a screwdriver like this. We'll punch in the screwdriver in that spot right there where we took out the key from and slightly tilt the screwdriver until that edge comes out from the top. Just like that, you notice that edge is popping out. Now we will punch in the same screwdriver from the side where the cover is popped out to pull out the remaining portion of the cover. In the meantime, also make sure to keep the button portion down, and just like that you would notice the top cover along with the battery is pulled out. Now we will pull out the battery from the edge just like that. And that is how we take out the battery for this remote. Taking a closer look, it is a CR2430 type battery that is needed for this kind of remote. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure this plus sign stays at the bottom. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the battery back where we took it out from. We'll slide in the battery in that metal bracket first, and then we push it all the way down. We've got the battery in place. Now we will go ahead and punch in the top cover on the other side. Just make sure the edge where we took out the key from, it should match towards the edge right there. So we'll go ahead and punch in this cover. Make sure it's in from all over the edges, and once it seems like it is, only then we will press it down from all over. Just like that, we will make sure it is in from all over the edges, and it seems like it is. Now we'll go ahead and slide in the key where we took it out from. With the key in place, that wraps up the replacement process of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.